You've got to try my homemade banana bread muffins.
Here's what you'll need. 3 ripe bananas, 2 1/4 cups of almond flour, although I used oat flour in this video, 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 cup of honey, a tablespoon of coconut oil for greasing, and some muffin cases. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius, then grab your bananas and mash them in a bowl, adding in the eggs, honey, coconut milk, and the vanilla paste. Sieve the flour in a separate bowl, adding the baking powder, cinnamon, and then combining both mixtures and stirring until smooth, using an electric whisk or potato masher if you find lumps. Line out your muffin cases and then grease up before adding your mixture into each one. Place in the oven and bake for 45 minutes until golden. Remove and then allow to cool down and serve up with some yogurt, a drizzle of honey, and some berries.